not in each other's way. The elbows should not be lifted, and you will practice this tomorrow too. So when I'm working on the left side, I'm going to use the angle forceps. I'm going to grab the graft. I'm going to rotate it, so I'm going to turn it around to find one with the longer hair so you can see what Tina was talking about, wrapping the hair shaft, the curl around your finger. Grab the graft. I come to the site. I need to come closer, my mag eyes are not working well. And then I insert, open my forceps, deposit the graft, and push it to adjust it to the proper height, proper depth. So it should be 1 millimeter sticking out the side of the, and then I dab if I need to. I keep my fingers close to the site where I'm working. Some of these grafts are big, so I'm going to take another 2 hair grafts. It's important where you place your grafts. So I'm going to insert it. As you notice, my forceps comes almost halfway through the depth of the site. I release the forceps, I re-grab the graft and position it and dab. If I go to the other side, so actually let's do this. If I'm working in a crown, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the angle forceps. I'm going to wrap the curl around my finger. I grab the graft by the fat around the hair follicles. I insert. I open my forceps to deposit and barely have to adjust if the insertion is proper. If I go to the right side of the patient, then I'm going to use a straight forceps. I'm going to do the same thing, except my curl is going to be pointing like that. And then I'm going to grab the graft, insert it, and I'm going to show you, I grab it a little bit differently. Insert it, insert into the site, get to the half depth. I open my forceps and readjust and dab. Anything else?